Click on the plus icon at the top right of the screen. Then select the payment link option over here. On this page, you may choose whether it's a product, services, or some kind of subscription that you want to sell to your customer or your client, or it's actually just for the donation, tipping, or any other type of payment. Then you want to choose on the one below it. For this video, I'm gonna choose the product. After that, you may select your product if you already have any. And if there is no product at all, click on Add New Product right here. This tab will appear and you may add a new product. Start from a name of the product or services, a little description to make it more convincing, and then an image if you want to get the customers have a more clear idea of what you sell to them. Then at the pricing, you can select one-off if it's a one-time pay, so your customer just have to pay one time and no others payment following later on. Or you can also choose for it to be recurring, where customers have to pay at a certain time, like monthly or weekly. This pricing is easily used by those who are offering a subscription. Then you may insert the prices over here as you intended and the billing period as you like. The billing period will consist of what we speak before, like daily, monthly, or so on. So if you choose on monthly, the customer will be charged every certain date of the month, so on and so forth. You may also change the currency of your product, so from the US dollar to euro, pound sterling, or even another dollar like Singaporean dollar or Australian dollar. After you are good with everything, click on Add Product button, just right here. And on this page, you may edit your product quantity. Choose if the customer can customize how many products that they need by doing a check mark on the Let Customer Adjust Quantity option, or add another products at the same payment link. You can also recommend another product right here. So for example, if you're selling a book that have a 3 volume, you can recommend your customer the volume number 2 and number 3 when they are trying to buy the book volume number 1. You may also customize other options which are more suitable for you. And last but not least, you may edit the preview of your payment link by tapping on this button to change the preview on the desktop or on the mobile versions. After you are good, hit the Create Link button, and right here are your payment link of the product that you just added. You may click on this button with this page icon to copy the link, and you can paste it anywhere like on the WhatsApp chat, Facebook, Twitter, Telegram, or other social media. You can also send it by email if it's more suitable for you. And then when they open the link that you just sent, and this is more or less what they will see. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.